In today's video, I am going to teach you how to cut a segment of a line, stroke or shape in Figma. This workflow is perfect when you want to remove, separate, or isolate parts of your artwork without redrawing everything. We'll keep things simple and focused so you can follow along confidently. Start by opening your design and selecting the vector object you want to edit, such as a line or any stroked path. What we're about to do works on vector paths, so if you can see anchor points and handles, you are in the right place. To begin editing, press Enter on your keyboard, or simply double-click the object to enter vector edit mode. You'll notice the path becomes active with visible points, confirming you are ready to make precise changes. Next, press X to activate the Cut tool. Your cursor will indicate that you are in cut mode. For a clean single split on a line or stroke, click once directly on the path where you want the break. That click creates a cut point and divides the original path into two separate segments. After the cut, each segment exists independently, which makes it easy to manage or style portions of the path differently later on if needed. If you want to cut across multiple lines or paths in one motion, click and drag across them. As you drag, the Cut tool slices any paths it intersects, creating breaks wherever your drag line crosses. This is especially helpful when working with dense illustrations or grids of lines because it lets you create multiple cuts with a single gesture while staying precise. Now let's look at shapes. Draw your shape or select the existing shape you want to modify. With the shape selected, press Enter or double-click to enter vector edit mode. Again, press X to activate the Cut tool. Because shapes are closed paths by default, cutting them will open the outline at the points you slice. To divide a shape into separate segments, click and drag across the path. Wherever your drag crosses the outline, the Cut tool will create breaks, letting you isolate sections of the shape's perimeter. This makes it simple to highlight just part of a border, create dashed face style effects manually, or prepare a segment for further editing. Thanks for watching.